Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Lowyat TV. Today I'm going to be talking about two wearables that have made their way into Malaysia, that is the Xiaomi Mi Watch and the realme Watch S Pro. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the similarities. Right off the bat, we can tell that both the Xiaomi Mi Watch and the realme Watch S Pro do look kinda similar. In fact, they are both rounded face and have two buttons on the side, and they are both also equipped with always-on 1.39-inch AMOLED display. They also come with a built-in GPS, so it is good news for those of you who do not want to bring out their smartphone when you go for a jog or cycling. Additionally, heart rate and blood oxygen sensors also come standard with the Xiaomi Mi Watch and the realme Watch S Pro. Furthermore, both of them have water-resistant rating of 5 ATM, which means that they can both be used for swimming, and yes, they both have streaming tracking capability. Now that you know about their similarities, let's talk about differences. Among the major factors that sets them apart is the material used in their construction. In more specific terms, Xiaomi has utilized the glass fiber reinforced polyamide, while realme has opted for the stainless steel and also has installed the Corning Gorilla Glass on the display on the Watch S Pro. The same also applies to the straps they use. Xiaomi prefers TPU as opposed to realme that chooses vegan leather and silicone. There are also differences between the number of workouts that both of the watches track. The Xiaomi Mi Watch is designed to track 17 core workouts together with another 100 extended workouts, which clearly outranks the realme Watch S Pro, which is only capable of tracking 15 workouts. And in terms of battery life, Xiaomi has claimed that the Mi Watch lasts about 16 days typically, while realme has said that their Watch S Pro can last about 14 days, give or take. And of course, let's not forget about the pricing. In Malaysia, the Xiaomi Mi Watch can be obtained for 469 ringgit, but the realme Watch S Pro demands a slightly higher price tag at 599 ringgit. For more in-depth information about these GPS wearables, you can check them out at our website at www.lowyat.net, or to make your life easier, we can just leave it down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. My name is Pat, and thanks for watching.